Welcome to the Traders Help Desk Online Video Collection. In this video I am in a Euro trade, actually short, and I entered right here. It had made a magenta peak, pulled back, and entered at 42.60 and trying to get Clipper 1 out of this trade. As you can see, this was a zero line reject between the 1 minute and the 3 minute. You can see that the currency meter, the dollar, is going upwards. The euro is going downwards. You can also see over on the 12-minute very strong downtrend at the moment. Price is moving slow, but it is the week of the 4th, so that's sort of expected. You can also see that the British pound is going downwards, the Aussie is going down, the Canadian is going downwards. The yen is the only one that is going upwards at the moment. We have just made another high over on the 1 minute chart. It looks like we're going to get a potential reversal bar over there. Don't know yet as the bar is not ended. I'm already at break even, so if this price goes back and touches 59, I would be out. I'm going to pause the screen and I will put it back on once we reach Clipper 1. Okay, we're just a few ticks away from Clipper 1 right now. We're at 44 is where Clipper 1 is. We just got it. Now let me go back and actually show you what trade I took that I took Clipper 2 out of. We made an isolated high here. And this, some of you will say, well, why didn't you take the previous isolated high? Let me status off the Clipper for a moment and I'll show you. You made an isolated high and close in your direction here. However, that was directly after a market report on the British pound. So I was not taking that entry because I knew it could be just a reactionary entry signal. So I opted to take this one instead. And let me put the Clipper back on. Now, at this entry, you can see over on the 1 minute, you were getting a zero line reject. It had went above the zero line and has started back downwards. So I decided to go ahead and take this entry. It had 6 ticks of risk, nothing major. Got to break even very quickly. It hit Clipper 1. But when it hit Clipper 1, which was here, you could see the ADX was starting back upwards. So I said, okay, I'm going to stay and see if I can get Clipper 2 at 42.58, which I did. Clipper 1 was 12 ticks. Clipper 2 was 24 ticks. And once I did that, of course, I waited for the entry signal again here. Again, this was a zero line reject between the 1 and the 3, and that netted another 16 ticks of profit there.